Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to have more financial freedom and flexibility in your life? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 practical money-saving tips that you can start using today. These tips are simple, effective, and will help you save money without sacrificing your lifestyle. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to take control of your financial situation. Let's get started. Use coupons and discount codes. Coupons and discount codes are a great way to save on everyday items. You can find these codes online or in newspapers, and they can save you significant amounts of money on food, clothing, and household items. By using coupons and discount codes, you can still afford the things you love without overspending. Create a budget. Creating a budget is the first step to achieving financial stability. You need to know how much money is coming in and going out each month. Once you have this information, you can create a budget that allows you to live within your means. Set a limit for your expenses and try to save a little money each month. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive and overspending on food, while dining out can put you in trouble. Cooking at home is a great way to save money, and also healthier at the same time. Plan your meals ahead and make a shopping list to only buy what you need. You can also do weekly meal prep to save time and money. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a look at your expenses and see where you can cut back. Do you really need that gym membership? Can you cancel your cable subscription and switch to a streaming service? Small changes like these can add up and help you save money in the long run. Find ways to earn extra income. Finally, finding ways to earn extra income can help you save money and achieve your financial goals. You can sell items you no longer need, take on freelance work, or start a side hustle to earn extra income. Every bit counts, and extra income can help you pay off debt, save for a vacation, or build your emergency fund. I'm taking a short break from the video. If you've enjoyed it so far, could you please subscribe to my channel? Thank you in advance. Let's continue. These 5 practical money-saving tips can help you achieve financial stability and live the life you want without overspending. Don't forget to budget, use coupons and discount codes, cook meals at home, cut unnecessary expenses, and find ways to earn extra income. By following these tips, you will make steady progress towards achieving your financial goals. You have been watching Let's Invest YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips and advice. The video and playlist on the screen may be of interest to you.